Well, YouTube, this just might be the cheapest Lamborghini maintenance yet. So if you guys haven't noticed, I'm going to show you how to change the windshield wipers on the Lamborghini Gallardo. And you might be asking yourself, why is changing windshield wipers video worthy? Yeah, I agree, it's really not. But what I wanted to do was share just a little bit of information. So this will be a quick, simple little video, mostly because I had a little bit of trouble finding an affordable option. If you look for replacement windshield wipers on Scuderia parts, they're like $97 and some change a piece. I was definitely not paying that. I don't drive this car in the rain, although when you need them, you need them. I did get caught in a rain squall the day I came home after getting the windows tinted. It was beautiful that morning. Driving home that night, it absolutely opened up on me. When you need them, you need them. Not only that, I don't know when these were changed last, and there's nothing that looks more tacky on a nice or higher end car than rotten, see, cracking rubber, missing an end cap here. Same thing, these things are just split and rotten. The car only sees the sunshine, so they sit out there in the summer and bake and rot. So I just kind of wanted to give something on there that doesn't look quite so tacky. I ordered several different options, universal stuff on Amazon. I ended up having to return. They didn't fit quite right. They were large and bulky. So it took me a little bit of time and research to figure out something that worked. So let me show you what I found. So obviously I ended up going with some Bosch wipers that I found. Here is the part number that I'm using. I will share the part number in the description as well. Is there any other links or information I can find? Like I said, some of the universal stuff off of Amazon had the janky adapters and things like that. And these turned out to be identical to what I have on the car now. These so happen to be off an 06 through 09 Mercedes E350. And these are the Bosch version. Once I found the part number that I needed that matched up with what I have on the car, there's also all sorts of generic, stuff all over Amazon and eBay. Roughly $20–$25 range. I believe I paid $26 and some change plus shipping and tax, obviously, from a Parts Geek, and had these things here within 2 days, I believe. So I'll pop one off the car real quick. Super easy. If you haven't messed with your wiper plates before, spin them around, popping off there. Literally just a side post mount. As you guys can see, these things are just weather check. They've done their time, need to be replaced. So this is obviously the old one. We'll line them right up here with the brand new Bosch, and they are literally identical in every way. So for the price, compared to anything off any of the other higher end websites, I found these the way to go. Like I said, unfortunately, it took me a couple tries. Maybe I should have done a little more online research before I first started ordering stuff. I thought it's a wiper blade. It shouldn't be that tremendously difficult to do. Unfortunately, that wasn't quite the case. So there you have it, guys. Looks a little fresher. Lord willing, I need them. In a pinch, they will work much better than the rotten old rubber that was on here. So like I said, I will share the part numbers in the description if you guys need affordable and inexpensive wiper blades for your vehicle. So thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully somebody out there finds this helpful and saves them a little bit more time than what I spent trying to figure out exactly what I needed for an affordable option for this car. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stick around for more. See you on the next one.